Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today what we are going to talk about constructive pedagogy. The word constructive, it is very difficult to translate it into a Urdu word tamiri or something. Later on in the discussion, the things will be clarified itself during the sessions. The first thing that I like to say that why the human beings are supreme creature of Almighty Allah. My question is to the participants, why there are so many creatures that are bigger and more powerful as compared to the human being? Look at the lion, elephant, there are so many others in the sea, but the human beings, this creature, according to the teaching of Islam and according to the experiences, it is a supreme creature. Why? What is the reasons? Reason is quite simple. The only thing that distinguishes human beings to all other creatures is the ability to think. They possess the ability to think, reflect, and improve their decisions and actions. Whereas the thinking capabilities of the other creatures who exist in this universe, it is not at this quality of analyzing the things and making tomorrow better as compared to today. For example, whatever the session as a teacher, as a head of institution that you are going to organize, you are going to recollect or reflect over those activities, what has been done, how it has been done, and on the basis of that, you are going to improve your decisions and actions. And that is only possible because we are able to think. I just like to quote a famous educationist, John Dewey. Have anybody listened the name of John Dewey before that? He was an American educational philosopher, and he was the, you can say, Faculty of Education Dean in the Chicago University, USA. He thinks education is nothing else, it is enable a person to think. And that capability makes the human being supreme. ये जो खसूसियत है, ये इंसानों को दूसरी क्रिएचर से सुप्रीम बनाती है. If as a teacher, as a head of institution, as a CEO, if we possess this ability and we are not utilizing this ability, then we are worse than the animals, because the animals don't possess the refinement of this ability as it has been possessed by human beings. Therefore, in this context, the human beings can analyze the things, whatever the activities that has been performed, and make their tomorrow better than today.